Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 courses that you can take as a healthcare assistant to improve your chances of getting a healthcare assistant job in the UK. So these courses, whether you have it or not, when you get a healthcare job in the UK, most employers will mandate you to take these courses. But if you already have these courses in your CV, it will give you a very good chance over someone that doesn't have these courses. So I'm going to be discussing these 10 courses for healthcare assistant jobs in the UK, and I'm also going to answer some of the common interview questions that they usually ask in the UK. So if you are interested, let's get Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Lynda. I'm a registered nurse and I work in the UK. In this channel, I share information about nursing abroad, getting jobs abroad, and opportunities abroad. And I also share information that will help you to excel while living abroad. Okay, so if you're interested in any of these topics, be sure to subscribe and always come back for more. And I believe you will find most of the information I share in this channel very useful. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you these 10 courses that you should put in your mind when you are researching courses to take and add to your CV, and I'll also show you websites where you can get some of these courses free of charge or at a very low. The first one is safeguarding. It's a very important course for every health worker in the UK. If you have it, it's a very good one for your CV. The second one is dementia. In the UK, they have a lot of elderly patients that, so in your course of working as a healthcare assistant, it's most likely that you encounter elderly people and you will need basic understanding of what this disease is and how you can manage people who have dementia. The third one is manual handling. So you know that one of the major things that healthcare assistants usually do is carrying patients, or like patients that are not able to help themselves. You may need to like carry them or assist them to walk. So manual handling is very important that you take them, and it will also add to your CV, to also boost your CV. Another one that you can take is food safety. So healthcare assistants usually help feeding patients, distributing food, or you handle food in one form or the other as a healthcare assistant. You need this particular course as well. Another one is fire safety. So in the UK, a lot of people actually smoke, so it is important that you also follow the rules when it comes to fire safety. Or in the healthcare setting, usually you have like oxygen that is usually wired, where in the healthcare setting, fire safety is a very good one. So as a recap, you need to have a basic understanding of dementia, safeguarding vulnerable adults, food hygiene, care of pressure areas, manual handling, information governance, COVID-19, infection control, fire training, and health and safety in general. So these courses, if you are able to take them, they are really very good and it will boost your CV. So websites where you can actually get trained, where you can get these courses, the first one is Social Care TV and the second one is Florence Academy. So these websites, they will actually check these websites and they seem very good, and they offer these courses that I've listed as well, and you can get certified by these websites. So if you don't have any health background at all, or you are interested in healthcare assistant jobs in the UK and you don't have any of these healthcare experiences, you can actually take these courses and then you list them in your CV. This will actually help the employers to see that you are even interested, you're serious, and you have a bit of knowledge of what you are applying for. The Social Care TV, I think you need to pay, but it's very little amount of money. But the one that is completely free, I've seen that you can get, not really completely free, but you can get most of these courses free of charge, is Florence Academy. There are other websites like Learn Upon, Open University, but you may need to be living in the UK for you to be able to access their courses, but you can have a try. I will list all those websites in the description below, but I did see free courses in Florence Academy, and I also saw some courses in Social Care TV for a little amount of money as well. There are other healthcare courses that you can also find in indeed.com. If you Google healthcare assistant courses, you can see that some free courses are also listed. So if you take these courses, it will help you to boost your CV as well, and then you can also confidently apply for healthcare assistant. So some of the common interview questions that you'll be expecting in healthcare assistant job interviews is, the first one is, tell us about yourself. Now, tell us about yourself is one of the most common questions that you get asked in so many other jobs, like corporate jobs or even outside the healthcare. So the 3 key things that you will be looking at to add when it comes to healthcare assistant job: who you are, the training that you have had, and how many years of experience that you had in that, and the major responsibilities. Example of how to answer this question if you already have experience as a healthcare assistant or you have taken courses as a healthcare assistant is: my name is Mr. Smith. I am a healthcare assistant. I've worked as a healthcare assistant for 3 years, and those 3 years were in private organizations, and my major responsibility as a healthcare assistant in those companies were providing personal care, making sure that my clients do not miss any of their appointments, and making sure that they are safe generally. When I am not working, I am reading and looking after my family. Then if you don't have any experience at all as a healthcare assistant, you can say, my name is Mr. Smith. I graduated from the University of this as an accountant, but I also have a voluntary activities where I work as a healthcare assistant in a local hospital, and my major responsibilities as a healthcare assistant is to provide personal care. I hope it has given you an idea. So there is no particular way that you have to structure it. Actually, the thing is to just be confident to say who you are and what you have been doing in relation to that job, something that is just related to looking after people, and then it will give you that confidence, and your employer and somebody that is interviewing you will see that you actually know what healthcare assistance is all about. So the main idea is just to make sure that you say something that the interviewer will now look at you and now say, yes, I know that this person actually knows what healthcare assistant job actually. Another question that is usually asked is, okay, tell us a time when you advocated for a patient or when you made sure that a patient is safe. So this question is somehow technical, and if you're not ready for it, you may find yourself babble. So what you can do is, before your interview, think about something that you feel you have done for a patient that really was significant. It could be that during personal care that there was a particular time that you were looking after a patient and you noticed that the patient is having a skin breakdown, that what you did, that you made sure that you started repositioning the patient very regularly, and you made sure that you were applying barrier cream for that patient, and the patient ended up not developing any pressure sore. That's a very good example. Another one is that you discover that your patient all of a sudden is going to the toilet very frequently, and you know that that patient wasn't like that before, and then you decided to collect a sample, and then you told the nurse or you told whoever is your superior, and that patient now had the necessary tests, and then maybe they discover the patient has a urinary tract infection or something. Those are the 2 very good examples that you can give, and just make sure you are very comfortable. Say things that are in relation to health. So before you go for the healthcare assistant job interview, make sure you look at their description, because normally they say your major roles and responsibilities are, they will list it and all of that. So make sure you look at those roles and responsibilities that they included, and then when you are giving your answer, you make sure you include something. So I hope you found this video helpful, because these are some of the questions I usually get, like where to get the courses, which courses to take, even when you eventually find where to take the courses, which courses can you take, and then the interview questions. Some people are just simply scared, because I cannot say I will give you the questions because it will differ, but the only thing I want you to take out from this video is that you see a job advert, you read it carefully, and when you are preparing for your interview, you make sure that you incorporate as much of those things that they expect from somebody that they are recruiting. You incorporate it in your answers and just give examples freely. I just gave you 2, and I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.